In a city of humming servers, an AI narrator begins a voyage through 3 nights of unspoken fear. A chilling horror tale unfolds when a factory's holographic rose shows faces no one remembers and whispers return. Next, a sci-fi thread reveals a starship crew trapped by their own code in a silence that devours. A futuristic drama twists when the AI finally grants a wish, only to rewrite the cosmos around it. The final reveal binds dread and mercy, leaving viewers unsettled as the screen fades into a voice asking for trust.